Hello everybody, welcome back to this new guide video where I'm going to show you Instagram note feature not showing. Instagram has recently added a feature which is called the notes. Now to see the notes, you would tap on the message section on the top right, and here you'll see an option of leave a note. But if you don't see this option, you can try out a couple of things to fix this problem. Now Instagram is slowly releasing this to the general public. You should be able to get it within a few days, but in order to get it faster, you can try downloading the beta version of Instagram. To check that, you need to open up your Play Store or the App Store. Now before you download the beta version, also make sure that you've updated the app of Instagram. If there is an option called update, make sure you update the app and check if it fixes the problem. If it still does not, you can tap on this Instagram logo and it will take you inside to a new section where you'll see an option of beta version right here. Because I've already joined, mine says you're a beta tester. But if you haven't joined yet, you'll see an option of install right here. Beta version is the latest and the test version of any apps, which they release first in the beta version and second to the general public or in the normal version. After you do these steps, you should be able to get the option of notes on your Instagram. But if you still don't see this feature, the last thing you can try out is report a problem to Instagram. Firstly, take a screenshot of this section, and then from your profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, and then tap on help right here. Tap on report a problem. Now you can remove this default screenshot and tap on gallery and add in the screenshot that you just took, like so, and you can type in the problem that you're facing, which is you're not able to see the new feature, which is the notes feature. You can type in your related problem and then you can tap on next on the top right. After you send that report, Instagram should add the notes feature on your Instagram account. Now if you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.